Push-ups are one of the best beginner-friendly exercises to build strength, but only if you're doing them the right way. Do them wrong, and you're not just slowing progress. You're setting yourself up for pain and wasted effort. Most beginners slip up on at least one of these 5 mistakes, so let's fix that right now. Mistake 1. Staring forward. If your head is cranked up while you push, your neck takes all the stress. Instead, keep your gaze slightly ahead on the floor. This lines up your head and spine so you stay safe and strong. Mistake 2. Chicken wing elbows. If your elbows are sticking straight out to the sides, you're crushing your shoulders. Tuck them in closer, about a 45-degree angle. From above, your body should look like an arrow, not a letter T. Mistake 3. Dropping the hips. A sagging lower back might feel easier, but it puts dangerous pressure on your spine. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body in one straight line. Head to heels. Mistake 4. Shoulders caving forward. Rolling the shoulders takes the chest out of the movement and kills your form. Instead, think about pulling your shoulder blades back and staying locked in tight throughout the set. Mistake 5. Straight up and down. Push-ups aren't a piston motion. To fully activate your chest, drive slightly forward as you push up, like you're trying to shove the ground away from you. Fix these 5 mistakes, and you'll not only double your push-up strength, you'll keep your joints safe while building real muscle. Now you know how to clean up your form. Next, check out my breakdown of the fastest way to progress your push-ups and build crazy upper body strength.